Oh, it's Nerf war time, man.
Hey,
You know
what
what
did
day
it beat
was
you
coming.
guys?
Here we go.
What did it beat you guys?
Man, needs to back up. Back up. I need more ammo, man. Give me some more ammo. Need to reload.
Got you!
Oh, you're lucky it didn't shoot. Gun's not shooting. Oh, that does it. Oh! Got you, bud. Ashton's out. Is that your first hit? Gotcha. Gotcha. Now you're out, bud. That's two. Brody out. Get out there. Get out. Over by the stairs. Get Ashton. Get one more on Ashton.
We're okay. Oh, Jesus! He's hiding in the middle corner there. I got him.
Got him. Ashton's out. We win. Oh. Just when you think that they were ahead. Oh, the Canadians. You can't see me.